Maid of Honor, where are you? Asa man si Maid of Honor? All you need to do is just to give a short message to them before ninyo i-toast ang wine, okay? Dali, best man! Maaga winter na tunan. Okay. Sige, best man, all you need to do is just to give a short message to them.
Hello.
Okay.
My test.
Sige, best man, go!
Okay, so once again, good evening everyone. So it's my honor to be a best man, standing here in front of you as a best man. Okay, so first of all, I would like to appreciate how beauty and awesome our bride, and also how lucky my best friend to found such a wonderful partner. Again, congratulations to Jack. So I know you for a years since we are classmates on our undergrad studies. Then I can say without a doubt that you are a type of person, a person that has a genuine, loyal, and caring. And also, pinaka-favorite na ko ng inyong attitude yun kay, you are a religious man. So we all know that si Jack yun kay, from high school to college kay, nag-serve siya sa church. Nagituntay kayo sa usanas mga kanang na-influence na nagkamot yun to be a religious. Okay, so today we're not just celebrating their love, but also their journey throughout their lifetime stories side by side. So to Jack and Kaliman, again, congratulations. Then I can say that sa kuwano ka sa toast ka sa kanagwano. So join with me to toast this wine. Again, everyone, raise your wine and then cheers.
Cheers! And Maid of Honor.
Okay. So, first of all, ako din si Tata. So, since elementary, best friend na siya ko ni Barimar.